Stree became Stree because people love Stree so much. And I would be a fool to think that, Stree worked because of me.
कितनी गाड़ी थी पता लगा कि मेहंदी पता कि बहुत गाड़ी आई
मेहंदी की जरूरत नहीं थी क्योंकि हस्बैंड ऑलरेडी बहुत प्यार
करता है. I'm not sure if there's only one soulmate and it doesn't really have to be your partner. Sometimes soulmates can be your friends also, your dogs also. But definitely I feel like वो कुछ souls की energies आपसे इतनी match कर जाती हैं and you just like your core is so similar that वो एक अलग एक magical सा रिश्ता होता है.
तो गाड़ी में then she was not talking to me much because उसने बाद में बताया कि उसने LSD देखी थी recently and then she hated me in the film and she's like आपके तो ऐसा ही होगा.
You must know what kind of car the person had. That was the most ridiculous thing I heard and I just gave what? तो मैं उल्टा उसको समझाने लगी थी कि देख लिसन लाइफ में ना ये सब चीजें नहीं काम आती हैं.
मैं नैनोशिप में हूँ तो मुझे अभी शादी के लिए लोग प्रेशराइज कर रहे हैं. आप तो शादीशुदा हैं सो प्लीज एडवाइस यार क्या करें यार.
तुम थोड़े दिन ओशो आश्रम जाओ. थोड़ा मेडिटेशन करो, थोड़ा रिलैक्स हो जाओ, फिर अपने आप हो जाएगा सब कुछ.
यार ये कौन सी बुड्ढे जनरेशन के लोग हैं ना ये. Hi, I'm Rajkumar Rao.
Hi, I'm Vamika Gabbi.
And you're watching us on Times Entertainment.
Hi, welcome to Times Entertainment. Today we are with Rajkumar Rao and Vamika Gami. Guys, bhul chuk maaf meri because a lot of things keep on happening with me generally. But yeah, so what's the one thing on which you all normally keep on saying bhul chuk maaf here?
One thing we normally keep saying.
Like when my relatives come home, I end up saying bhul chuk maaf here. मेरे तो होता रहता है. I keep on saying.
I think नहीं ऐसा मौका कम आता है to be honest. इतना आता नहीं है. जानबूझ के तो कभी गलती कोशिश करते हैं कि ना हो, कभी किसी का दिल ना दुखे. पर unconsciously अनजाने में कभी किसी की गलती हो जाए तो then it's very easy to say भूल चूक माफ.
I think me to my dogs. ये सोफा खराब कर दिया, उधर ये हो गया है, but I'll always छोड़ो. भूल चूक
बेचारा लोग क्या ही बोलोगे अभी क्या ही.
तो जो कॉन्स्टेंटली अगर मैं लाइफ में किसी की भूल चूक माफ करती रहती हूँ, दैट्स माय डॉग्स. वो इनकी लाइफ में भी होगा.
Yeah, of course.
How you have two right now?
We have two now, yeah.
Because we met a neighbor of yours who said that her dog and your dog were actually best friends or something.
And then Gaga passed away last October, but now we have two. Yeah.
Wow, you have 6 now.
I have 6 now.
So
I had 4 3 months back, and now I have 6.
Wow.
I rescued 2 dogs and I thought कि वो ठीक हो जाएं. वो थोड़े injured थे, एक का कान पूरा चला गया था, तो वो सब उसको मेडिकली मैं उसको सब असिस्टेंट जितना हो सके कर रही थी. बट मैं इतनी अटैच हो गई, I'm like no you can't go anywhere, no you have to be with me only. तो अब वो मेरे साथ ही हैं.
Wow. Okay. Now when you say bhul chuk maaf, it talks about that very cute period between before marriage, like the courtship period is what talks about it. Now, well, as far as dating, you're married, you might have had relationships in the past. What's that one thing that in which bhul is not maaf when is dating is concerned? Bhul is not maaf.
When bhul is not maaf when dating is concerned, I think when you are just faking in the relationship, just faking it all up throughout, yeah, that is something which there should not be any forgiveness for that. Yeah, when the whole relationship was based on this big lies and everything about you was just fake.
Yeah, I think for me also it's dishonesty. And I don't mean by dishonesty as in you have to be honest about everything, but something that is important and you're being dishonest. Like, I feel like everybody has their own individuality and everybody needs to keep some secrets to themselves, which is fine. But I feel being dishonest is something that, I don't know,
puts you off.
You know, when you're shooting Bhul Chuk Maaf, did it ever happen that ये हो चुका है मेरे साथ?
ये हो चुका है मेरे साथ?
By shooting
Bhul
Chuk Maaf?
नहीं, टच वुड ऐसा मैं लूप में तो कभी नहीं रहता हूँ. और मेरी हल्दी तो नहीं हुई थी मेरी खुद की शादी में. यहाँ पर हल्दी हुई, बहुत हल्दी हुई, सारी कसर निकल गई. बट ये हो चुका है
बनारस शूटिंग देयर.
हाँ, बनारस
ये तो हो चुका है शूटिंग के वक्त. आई थिंक
बनारस हो चुका है बहुत बार. वो घाट्स हो चुके हैं बहुत बार लाइफ में. वो गलियां हो चुकी हैं. बट फिल्म में जो हो रहा है वैसा कुछ नहीं मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ है.
Okay. With you?
जो ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. nahi, nahi. This was a very different character for me to play, and I was very excited कि I'll get to do comedy. But yeah, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. I was working with him for the first time, so a lot of firsts were happening with me. So नहीं, मेरे लिए यही है ना जो लूप में लटके हैं. हम सब तो normal ही थे. तो
So Raj, so were you shooting the haldi scene over and over again, or was it कि एक को एक shoot करके फिर उसको repeat पे चला
नहीं, of course not. हमने actually we were shooting it over and over again. तो वो जो आप reaction जो देख रहे हैं, the frustration level going up, and the different kinds of reaction that you get every other day in life also, I'm sure that's how you would react. That happened actually on camera.
Wow.
मतलब I think because Karan spent so much time with this story and with this script, he spent many years. This was one of his passion projects that he wanted to make. So I think he was so detailed in everything. The whole arc was very clear in his head on pages that all of us knew. All of us were very sure what we were doing. So I think we must have shot that haldi sequence some umpteen number of times. And then we were also pretty sure that how the reactions would change. Like he can't just be angry throughout.
Yeah.
Like third day would be a different reaction. Maybe fifth day would be a different reaction altogether. And then he would be angry, he would be irritated, he would be frustrated, he would be helpless, he would be sad, he would be just going nuts in his head. He would start dancing like a madman. So I think it was just pretty awesome because Karan was so clear in his head.
what a crazy character to play, yaar. I mean, है ना? What a crazy situation.
Yeah, to get
and
stuck
a
in
crazy
this.
character to play. I think amazing.
Like people get scared of routine. The poor guy was living his routine. मतलब ऐसा मतलब अलग level पे चल रहा है इनका. So when Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara released, the entire cast was upset with, not upset, actually they were tired of tomatoes because of the tomatina thing. Yeah. They didn't eat tomato for the next 30, 40, 50 days, whatever. How much have you stopped eating turmeric now? Or is it that's not the point with you?
हो ही गया होगा.
येलो देखे भाग रहा हूँ मैं, येलो नीचे मेरे कुछ भी करो.
हाँ मतलब हल्दी ऐसे अगर वो वाली हल्दी दिख जाए जो लगाते हैं बॉडी पे ना, तब तो आई थिंक समथिंग सर्टेनली वुड हैपन, सम जिटर्स वुड हैपन. बट चुपचाप से आई थिंक किचन में एज लॉन्ग एज मेरी आंखों से दूर हल्दी का इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है
तो ठीक है, तो दिख नहीं रहे तो ठीक है मुझे.
आई एम श्योर शूट के दौरान तो जैसे मैं अपनी मेहंदी से चढ़ गई थी. हम लाइक फिर से पूरी फिल्म में इट्स ऑलमोस्ट बिकॉज़ इट्स अ लूप, तो पूरी लूप में
मेहंदी लगी जा रही है.
एवरी डे मेरी मेहंदी ऐसे, मैं रोज मेहंदी के साथ ही आती थी, तो रोज सुबह तैयार होके मेहंदी होती थी मेरे हाथों में. तो आई एम श्योर हल्दी उस वक्त जब ये शूट कर रहे होंगे, एंड हल्दी यू नो व्हाट इट डज,
हाउ चिप and dry and then takes off your
वो जब ड्राई हो जाती है इट्स जस्ट सो.
Are you okay with the हल्दी का smell? I'm like मैं कई बार मतलब after a point 2 दिन के बाद तो I'm like भाई
मैं तो नहीं थी हल्दी वाले पूरे जोन में, वो इन्हीं की हो रही थी.
देखो मेहंदी तो आपकी मेहंदी की स्मेल होती है.
नहीं मेरी अलग थी. सो दे हैड यूज्ड देम. क्या टेक्नोलॉजी आ गई, क्या उन्होंने क्या ही मिक्स किया, टेक्नोलॉजी बोल रही हूँ बताओ, क्या उन्होंने यूज मिक्स किया होगा कि वो बेसिकली वो लगाते थे मेहंदी की तरह, लेकिन वो प्लास्टिक हो जाती थी. या तो वो कुछ रंग नहीं छोड़ती थी. तो या
ये नया आया मार्केट में. मतलब बोला
सिर्फ शूट्स के लिए.
But most brides will not look for this now.
चाहिए कि रंग निकले ना,
तो चाहिए ना कि
रंग जितना कुछ होता है ना, जितनी गाढ़ी मेहंदी उतना हस्बैंड प्यार करेगा, ऐसे कुछ बोलते हैं.
सासू माँ और हस्बैंड प्यार करेंगे.
कितनी गाढ़ी थी पता लगा की मेहंदी? पता कि बहुत गाड़ी आई, बहुत गाड़ी आई.
मेहंदी की जरूरत नहीं थी क्योंकि हस्बैंड ऑलरेडी बहुत प्यार
करता है.
Good one. But how do you rate yourself as a boyfriend when you were a boyfriend?
When I was a boyfriend, I would say out of 10.
Yeah.
I'm sure कुछ तो कमी होगी तो 9 दे देते हैं.
नहीं कमी होती तो शादी थोड़ी ना करती.
That's true. ठीक है तो 9.5.
9.5.
As a husband, out of 10, 10.5.
I like that. Nice.
Interesting. But ये आधा मार्क एक्स्ट्रा कहाँ से आया? As a husband?
वो आधा मैं यहाँ कवर अप कर रहा हूँ. जो आधा वहाँ छोड़ा था as a boyfriend,
हाँ, तो क्या
आधा यहाँ कवर अप कर रहा हूँ.
क्या था वो?
मतलब बहुत बाहर रहना शूट्स पे यहाँ वहाँ, तो मे बी शायद थोड़ा कम टाइम दे पाना. If I'm at home, she would be working. तो यहाँ वही बस, बहुत कुछ नहीं.
How are you as a girlfriend? I mean, you must, as in your past.
How
मैं
were you
कैसे बताऊँगी?
In whatever relationship you were at, you were in or like हाँ.
How were you?
हाँ.
अब मैं कैसे बताऊँ मैं कैसी थी? मैं तो अपनी तरफ से तो सही हूँ.
मैंने भी तो अपना खुद का बताया.
मैं तो अपनी तरफ से बिल्कुल
10
सही
out of
हूँ.
10?
Amazing
10,
यार,
10.
बिल्कुल 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
जितने भी सुन रहे होंगे ना.
अरे हमसे पूछो हमसे.
Yeah.
So Raj, when you were dating Patra, I know Patra since you were in college.
I know. Yeah.
So वही श्योर कि शादी इसी से करनी है.
हाँ यार, I was pretty sure. Yeah.
What made it कि भाई इसी यही है?
I don't know. I think it's just I truly believe in this soulmate concept. Yeah. I think कुछ होते हैं, कुछ रिश्ते ना ऊपर से बन के आते हैं. So when I saw her for the first time, that something happened.
कहाँ मिले?
हम लोग बाय रोड पुणे जा रहे थे गाड़ी में. और कुछ प्लेबैक एक्सरसाइज शूट करने वहाँ पे एक सॉन्ग FTI में. तो गाड़ी में देन शी वाज नॉट टॉकिंग टू मी मच बिकॉज उसने बाद में बताया कि उसने LSD देखी थी रिसेंटली एंड देन शी हेटेड मी इन द फिल्म एंड शी इज लाइक बाकी तो ऐसा ही होगा. शी वाज नॉट टॉकिंग टू मी. उसकी बहन पढ़ना मुझसे अच्छे से बात कर रही थी एंड देन कहीं रुके आई थिंक हम रास्ते में फूड कोर्ट में. तो आई आस्क्ड हर कि सो व्हाट हैव यू डन. कुछ तो बात करनी है यार, शूट करना है 3 दिन. शी सेड कि आई कपल ऑफ एड्स. आई व्हाट एड्स. तो उसने कुछ बताया पर उसमें से एक एड थी जो मैंने देखी थी कुछ टाइम पहले एंड आई सॉ दैट एड and I genuinely thought what a pretty girl, yeah, what a sweet girl. I wish I could marry her. So when she told me she is that girl from that ad, I was like, what? You are that girl? Yeah. फिर मैंने सोचा अभी 3 दिन है अपने पास. 3 दिन अभी साथ हैं हम लोग FTI में, तो थोड़ा ट्राई कर लेते हैं.
तो फिर किया ट्राई और हो गया?
बहुत अच्छे से ट्राई किया. बहुत सारी एक्टिंग की बातें की. यही आता था कुछ. पता है तुम्हें who's Daniel Day-Lewis? Have you seen this? My left foot. You know what's his process?
Oh God!
Wow, कितना लड़का passionate है यार.
That is crazy. So cool, yeah.
Yeah, at least some people at least tell me कि there could be a love.
So nice.
Touch wood. No, but I've seen her together. I don't know, 15-16 years now. उसके ऊपर ज़्यादा ही हो गए होंगे उसको तो. I was 2012, 11.
नहीं 15 साल हो गए हमको यार. 2010 में.
11 से I knew of it, so yeah. Would you believe in concept of soulmates? इनकी कहानी छोड़ दे तो.
But again, I'm not sure if there is only one soulmate, and it doesn't really have to be your partner. Sometimes soulmates can be your friends also, your dogs also. But definitely, I feel like वो कुछ souls की energies आपसे इतनी match कर जाती हैं, and you just like your core is so similar that वो एक अलग एक magical सा रिश्ता होता है. तो I think you can definitely. I believe in soulmates. Not soulmate, soulmates.
So my mentor told me a line which is very stuck with me. It's like every relationship has a lifespan, and that may not be a lifetime. I think that has stuck with me since last 15-17 years now. Like कुछ लोग आते हैं and then they move on and then you also move on.
And I feel like your first soulmates are your parents.
Yeah. Your
And
mother.
they are also not there with you throughout your life.
Yeah.
So yeah.
You know, one thing which has stuck, which I wanted to ask you all the time, couldn't ask you because I remember it much later. There was a in publication with Patra Likha, they said Rajkumar's girlfriend. That time you were not married, and you then said no, Patra Likha's boyfriend.
Yeah.
Do you remember that?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, I don't like people just giving these titles to people for no reason. Everybody has their own identity. Yeah. You don't have to be known because of someone else. So I feel very strongly about it. I'm a very headstrong feminist that way. So yeah, it was just that.
It just proved it just, to a lot of people in the press. It was just like that one defining moment that Raj has said, and it like was done at that point.
Yeah. Especially I think it happens with girls, like Mrs. Oh, have you met Mrs. Rao? Like why Mrs. Rao? Why can't I be? Oh, Mr. Paul.
Yeah.
Yeah.
True that.
It's demeaning, है ना?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the most ridiculous dating advice you've ever given or have got?
Dating advice.
Ridiculous dating advice you've given or you've got.
Dating advice. मतलब किसी ने आपको advice दिया हो?
हाँ, stupid advice कि अरे पता है.
Date अच्छा लड़कों के लिए कि तुम ऐसे. I think for me it was mostly कि कौन सी गाड़ी चलाता है. You must know what kind of car the person has. That was the most ridiculous thing I heard, and I just gave. I was like, what? तो मैं उल्टा उसको समझाने लग गई थी फिर कि babe listen, life में ना ये सब चीजें नहीं काम आती हैं. So it just became that, yeah. So that I think looking at somebody's wealth and figuring out if you want to spend your whole life with that person or not, I think is the most ridiculous thing you can do.
Wow. Right?
You can build an empire together.
Yeah.
but
Yeah, of course.
yeah.
No, yeah. Actually, I'm not. I don't give that space to people. Also because it's been 15 years now.
Yeah.
Uh,
तब तो दी होगी ना LSD और के टाइम
नहीं
पे.
तब तो नहीं not really. नहीं दिया honestly.
दी भी नहीं कभी किसी को.
मैंने भी नहीं मैंने ये दिया कि यार if you're sure about someone then please stick to it unless circumstances are such that you cannot. But then don't do it like a hobby कि यार मैं बहुत श्योर हूँ then किसी का दिल मत दुखाओ. You know कि सामने वाले को आपने बहुत सीरियस करा दिया, श्योर करा दिया, then you're like अरे मैं तो ट्राई कर रहा था.
Yeah, and that happens a lot.
Yeah.
And also एक और बात है, like I remember, एक तो ये बोलना ना किसी लड़की के बारे में कि बिल्ली आंखों वाली पे ज़्यादा भरोसा नहीं करते. That's such a bad, कितनी बुरी चीज़ है. So I had my best friend, she's from, वो भी कनाडा में रहती है, उसकी ना proper बिल्ली आंखें हैं. And I remember people saying that around her. I used to feel so bad. How can you judge someone like that? Like, don't date. Yeah, you must. Yeah.
मेरी से मैं सुन चुका हूँ ये.
है ना? That's not nice.
I'm like, how do you judge on someone's eye color कि भाई इसको डेट मत करो, इसका भरोसा मत करो. Like,
Bad.
तो वैसे में तो सबकी ऐसी ही आंखें हैं तो वैसे
हाँ.
तो मतलब किसको
कलर ही है,
भरोसा
क्या ही
मत-
करोगे अभी.
हाँ.
बुरी नीली तो कितने को भरोसा नहीं करोगे. But yeah, but for example now if you had to choose a boyfriend for her in the industry, क्या choose करोगे? ये तो मुझे जानना है.
क्या चूज
In
करोगे?
the industry.
हाँ.
नहीं यार,
क्या
industry
चूज
में-
करो? कौन तो छोड़ो, क्या
क्या-
चूज
क्या?
करोगे?
अभी तो
मैं इंसान
question-
ही चूज करूंगा. I won't let her date a tripod.
No,
हाँ.
animal.
एनिमल चूज करूँ वो बेटर है ना. हाँ इंसान तो I don't think so. I cannot
Trust and
See
humans with her.
no anybody who's there like a I cannot see anybody like I would want her to date
In the industry.
in my vicinity that I can see.
पत्ता काट रहे आपका और कुछ नहीं है.
नहीं, उनको क्या मिलेगा पता मेरे काम के लिए. Yeah.
नहीं I would why not? She can date outside also industry में क्यों date?
Yeah. Yeah.
Like what
I
kind of
agree.
guy? Okay, let me rephrase. What kind of guy will you choose for her?
Like a nice gentleman, real boy who's very empathetic, who loves animals.
Yeah.
हाँ, वो तो.
And who understands her work and her work commitments also, and yeah, who's somebody who's respectful towards everyone.
Please note this down. This is exactly what I
Exact same
want.
यही चाहिए.
Yes.
कुछ ऐड करना है इसके अंदर.
नहीं, perfect है. इतना ही बहुत है.
So you know, have you heard of situationships? I'm sure you must have heard of situationships.
Yeah, I heard it from my brother.
There's also called nanoships now. ये नया निकाला है.
What is nanoship?
ये नया निकाला है. It just initial just spark and that's it.
One night stands.
Not one night, it's like initial spark. आज मिल गए, एक कॉन्सर्ट में मिल गया, we had a good time, चले वापस.
अच्छा कुछ physically
नहीं
कुछ नहीं
कुछ
हुआ.
नहीं.
अच्छा
Just-
एक date type.
हाँ एक टाइप.
But nothing.
Nanoships, situationship, nanoships.
This is please stop making these terms. This is a wastage of time. We should not be discussing nanoships. We are encouraging wrong things to the youth.
But it's become such a thing now. Situationship. So every third person I know, I'm in a situationship. I'm like
क्या होता है exactly? What is situationship exactly?
casual dating.
मिले, अच्छा लगा, तो you got together. लेकिन you guys are not committing to each other. You guys know कि है जितनी देर
जब तक कमिटमेंट नहीं है.
हाँ, कोई कमिटमेंट नहीं है, कोई लॉयल्टी नहीं है, कोई ऑनेस्ट कुछ नहीं है. ये खोखलापन है जो ये सब लोग प्रमोट कर रहे हैं सिचुएशनशिप के नाम पे. इट्स ऑल stupid. Nobody should do situationships. I don't like.
But hey, people are. It's the new dating
Two
slang.
people are happy doing this. ठीक है ना? I mean क्या?
हाँ, लेकिन imagine people getting along. एक तो naturally चीज हो वो अलग बात है.
हाँ मतलब as long as दोनों
कि
की तरफ
let's
से
get
same.
into a situationship.
हाँ वही दोनों की तरफ से सेम है तो ठीक है. एक की तरफ से ये क्या सिचुएशनशिप है, एक की तरफ से रिलेशनशिप है.
Relationship
फिर आप बाद में बोलो babe, it was not a
You're not on the same
relationship.
ship, bro.
Yeah.
Your ship is different than mine.
Yeah. So then you were like, "Arey, I thought we are in a situationship."
Oh, but I thought we were in the
Crazy.
nano ship. और क्या क्या होता है? बहुत सारे आ गए. Nano ship,
Oh, shit.
relationship.
कोई बहुत सारे आजकल तो.
Yeah.
It gets scarier as you see what's happening
अच्छा
around.
नैनो
you.
का भी कुछ आएगा मैक्रो.
हाँ.
क्या होगा सिर्फ आके हेलो जाके बोल के
नहीं फोन पे
निकल
बस एक बार बात करके ऐसे hey how are you so pretty यार see you
rejected.
खत्म बस खत्म
Yeah.
Microchip आएगा अभी, microchip आएगा अभी.
Super nano ship.
Okay, let's for example say if he was single, what kind of girl would you look for? पतरा मत बोलना बस.
Patra Jesse, for sure. Big eyes, beautiful smile. अब मैं इंस्पिरेशन तो वहीं से लूंगी ना जिनको इन्होंने चुना है अपनी लाइफ के लिए. भैया बिग आईज, नाइस स्माइल एंड काइंड पर्सन. मतलब जिनको मिलकर आपका दिल खुश हो जाए. आई थिंक ही वुड like to be around that energy.
Patra is just like that. It's just like that.
So he's got the right person.
She also calms him down a lot. Like it's
Yeah,
like
that's
the
clear.
calming effect in your.
Shiv Shakti.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Okay. Now if I swap, let's for example, you are married, he's single.
Okay.
What kind of advice will you give him? कि शादी कैसे करनी चाहिए?
ये क्या मतलब
जी
है?
बताइए.
मैंने की नहीं है.
मेरा
पर
नैनो शिप चल रहा है यार. क्या करना है बताओ अभी. मैं नैनो शिप में हूँ तो मुझे अभी शादी के लिए लोग प्रेशराइज कर रहे हैं. आप तो शादीशुदा हैं. So please advice यार. क्या करें यार.
तुम थोड़े दिन ओशो आश्रम जाओ. थोड़ा मेडिटेशन करो. थोड़ा रिलैक्स हो जाओ, फिर अपने आप हो जाएगा सब कुछ.
यार ये कौन सी बुड्ढे जनरेशन के लोग हैं ना ये. मैंने इतनी अच्छी बात पूछी कि शादी का एडवाइस दो. आप मुझे I would love to go to Osho Ashram and meditate. That's great.
पर वहाँ शादी?
तो शादी की एडवाइस चाहिए. करनी चाहिए कि नहीं? Come on, auntie.
बच्चे सुनो, अगर तुम्हें पसंद है कि तुम किसी एक जन के साथ पूरी जिंदगी गुजारो.
What?
Oh,
Life with one person? Come on, man.
मत करो. We're good.
Yeah.
Live your life to the fullest.
Bro, live your life, man. Chill
Yeah.
out, travel, see the
Yo.
world, man.
Yeah.
मैं हंसना चाहता हूँ क्या? घूमना चाहता हूँ, उड़ना चाहता हूँ. Yeah.
Okay. Now, Raj, you have your Malik is going to be your next film, which is like a proper commercial, big level, big budget film. What is the pressure for that, or there's a pressure because you're coming after Stree, which is like probably the biggest hit the Hindi cinema has seen, one of the biggest hits in the cinema. What's more pressure? When you come with a Bhul Chuk Maaf, or when Malik is coming out?
No, I'm very thrilled for Malik. I'm very, very excited. It's a very new genre for me.
Yeah.
I haven't done anything like this in my career till date. So I had a lot of fun playing this part.
I am kicked about seeing
Malik.
you play a larger than life character.
I don't know if I'm kicked about seeing myself
Yeah.
doing that, but I had a great experience making the whole film and playing this part, playing Malik, who's such a tough, raw guy, who's so powerful, so strong, and I'm talking about both physical and emotional strength. So I had a great time, and Pulkit is a phenomenal maker. He's a great combination of how keeping it real but commercial. The kind of cinema I love watching, which is not your just things that you don't believe happening on screen.
Yeah.
It's very believable in nature, but it's still so impactful, so powerful, the way he has designed the action sequences, the whole arc and the story in the film. So I had a great time. So my pressure is not because it's coming after Stree and whatever film came after Stree, because we all know Stree became Stree because people love Stree so much. And I would be a fool to think that, Stree worked because of me. No. It worked because of the story, because of the love the part one got. Of course, did I contribute as an actor? Yes, I did a lot. As Vicky, yes, I did a lot. But so did Amar, so did Denu, so did all the departments that were involved in making that film. Of course, because we being the face, on the posters, people start saying, Stree, this Stree, that Stree. But yeah, everybody works for the film, yeah. But that doesn't mean every film is going to be like that, because every film is different. Every film has its own destiny. As long as my films are making enough money for my producers, to not go in losses, and we keep telling these stories, I'm very happy with that. Some films would break the record, some films would go out of the roof when it comes to box office, and some film will do average, some film will be better than average. As long as I said, as long as they're making money, good for me.
How does it feel to be the paparazzi's favorite? It's recent because on my Twitter, for example, on third day I see three videos of Vamika spotted.
I know. पता नहीं कुछ है. I'm very happy obviously. And है वो बहुत प्यार से भी मुझसे बात करते हैं, and they're very respectful also. Sometimes when I tell them कि रुको. So they very nicely they put their phones down. So I like interacting with them. I like that they like me. It's
Yeah.
nice. Yeah.
It's the new benchmark that people actually want to see more of here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Well, because see,
Well, I
it's-
really want them to see me more in theaters also. That's why I hope that like with Bhool Chuk Maaf, hopefully I'll be able to impress them with my performance. I think that will also like that is something that will mean more to me for sure.
Raj, you're also starting a new venture because you are turning producer with Patralekha with your next film.
Yeah.
How does that feel to have producer at home?
It's a great feeling, yeah. To be honest, it's a lot of pressure,
Yeah.
especially because I was also involved as an actor in the film. So it's all Patralekha. She's the producer of Toaster, and maybe the next one that we will do. But it's in a way, it's very empowering. Also, that you can work with people that you want to work with. You can empower writers. You can empower new voices in the form of directors. You can tell the stories that you won't be able to do otherwise. So in that way, it's very empowering, but it's a lot of pressure. And also, it's as a lot of producers say, it's not the most thankful job. You have to just put everything in place and then do all the hard work off screen, which is a lot of hard work. Trust me, it's months and months of hard work. But then it's when it comes to the film, I think producer is the last one that people think of when it comes to the hierarchy. Yeah, it's sometimes the directors or the actor, the director, then comes the producer.
So, Bhumika, how are you managing Hindi and South? You have good Chari
बहुत
part
अच्छे
2.
से मैं सब कर लेती हूँ और भी मैं तो साउथ में भी because there it's not just one industry, there are 3 industries, so I'm already doing one Tamil, one Telugu,
4 Malayalam. Kannada.
हाँ, मलयालम भी एक्चुअली कर रही हूँ इस साल और बहुत आई एम वेरी हैप्पी आई कैन मैनेज इट अमेजिंगली आई लव वर्किंग देयर एज वेल एंड हियर बिकॉज आई थिंक आई एम गेटिंग टू वर्क विद रियली गुड पीपल एंड गुड पीपल एनीवेयर इज अ ब्लेसिंग सो
That's true.
आई एम रियली हैप्पी managing between good people is manageable.
That's true.
But how do you look at with Baby John?
As in, how do
With the result of Baby John?
Yeah, I did my best, and I think everybody did their best. And a lot of people liked it also. A lot of people did not resonate it with also. I think also it was a remake and people had already watched the... But it was not a completely
Yeah, it was
same
on screen
remake,
to screen.
correct. But sometimes you don't know, right? What audience is going to like and what not. Because when it came on OTT, a lot of people are liking it also. So, pata nahi yaar, in our business, I feel like it's all trust. Meeting होती है एक, आप कहानी सुनते हो, आपको ट्रस्ट ही होता है कि अच्छी बना लेंगे, उनको भी आप पे ट्रस्ट ही होता है कि अच्छे परफॉर्म कर लेंगे, सबको ट्रस्ट ही होता है कि हाँ ये प्रोड्यूसर बनवा देंगे, तो सिर्फ ट्रस्ट के बेसिस पे चलते हैं. यू रियली डोंट नो कि रिजल्ट्स क्या होने वाले हैं. सो इट्स सो अनप्रिडिक्टेबल दैट ऑल यू कैन डू इज डू योर बेस्ट. And then I think everything has its own lessons that, to learn. So, yeah, I'm very happy. I'm very happy to have met Atlee sir.
Yeah.
I'm very happy to have worked with Varun, Jackie Shroff sir, Kirti, and that little girl, Zara. So I met some great
And Salman
people.
Khan.
And Salman Khan. I had a great time. And I'm so glad that I got to experience all of that. And learn so much and do action. It was so nice.
Cool, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank
कोई
you.
भूल चूक हो तो माफ कर देना.
Thank you, Jigar.
Thank you so much.
Bhool Chuk Maaf.